If you're hearing that annoying, high-pitched noise in Audacity, whether it's a whistle, electronic whine, or sharp hiss, this video will show you a simple way to reduce it fast. And if you want more easy audio editing tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful guides. Let's jump into Audacity. First, select the entire track by clicking the track header on the left side of your audio. This makes sure the effect is applied to the full recording and not just a small section. Now go to the Effect menu at the top of the screen. From there, hover over EQ and Filters. In that menu, choose Low Pass Filter. This is the main tool we're using to reduce high-frequency noise. A low-pass filter works by letting the lower sounds stay in your audio while cutting down the higher frequencies. That's why it's so useful for removing those squeaky, piercing sounds that often live near the top of the frequency range. Once the low-pass filter window opens, set the frequency in Hertz to 10,000. This is a good starting point for most audio. If the noise is still there after applying it, you can lower the frequency to around 8,000 Hertz for a stronger effect. Next, set the roll-off to 12 decibels per octave. This gives you a balanced cut without making the audio sound too unnatural right away. If you need a heavier reduction, you can test different settings later, but 12 dB per octave is a solid place to start. After your settings are in place, click Apply. Audacity will process the track and reduce the high-frequency noise across the entire recording. Now, play back your audio and listen carefully. If the noise is reduced but still present, go back and try a slightly lower cutoff frequency. Small adjustments can make a big difference, especially if the unwanted sound is sitting just above the main vocal range. If this helped you clean up your audio, please give the video a like and subscribe for more Audacity tutorials, editing tips, and beginner-friendly audio fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.